Okay, control mechanism in plant. In last classes, we have discussed about different types of topics: phytohormones, auxin, cytokinins, gibberellins, abscisic acid, ethylene, like this. Phototropism. Next, different types of tropic movement, Gnostic movement. Okay, next, in previous class, we have discussed about important topic, that is photoperiodism. What? Photoperiodism. Already we discussed about different plants, different types of plants based on the photoperiodism. Okay, what? Photoperiodism. Observe carefully. Photoperiodism. Already discussed about photoperiod. What? Photoperiod. Duration of light period. Duration of light period. What is scientists believed that and proved that duration of light period is very, very important to induce the flowering in some plant. Understanding? Based on this duration of light required by plants, plants are classified into three groups. What are they? Short day plants. Next, long day plants. Day neutral plants. These are three types of plants based on the photoperiodism. Already we discussed about age. Next, some other scientists stated that along with light or along with duration of light, duration of night or dark is also essential to induce the flowering process in plants. To induce the flowering process in plants. Understanding? Okay, along with duration of light, duration of night or dark, night period or dark period is also essential for the plant to induce the flowering process. Okay, means duration of night. Duration of night or duration of night or dark. It is also essential. It is also essential or important. Essential or is also essential to induce the flowering process. To induce the flowering process in plant. This is important one, remember. Observe here. When only plants are exposed to relative length of dark times or night time. Night and relative length of night time. When only plants are exposed to relative length of night time, flowering process will be occur. Flowering process will be occurred in plants. This is important one. Okay. Observe. Next. Based on the duration of night required by plants to produce the flowering, they are also divided into different types. What are they? First one, short night plant. Short night plant. Second one, long night plant. Next, third one, night neutral plant. Night neutral plant. What? Short night plant, long night plant, night neutral plant. These are three types of plants based on the duration of night time. Okay, required by those plants. These are three important types of plants. Okay, observe one. Photoperiodism means photo means light, period means duration. Here photo period, light period is very important in some plants to produce the flowers. Some plants require longer daytime to produce the flowers, whereas some plants require short daytime to produce the flowers. Some plants do not depend on the duration of light, do not depend on the duration of the light. Understanding? They are day neutral plants. Day neutral plants. Understanding what? Day neutral plants. What? Day neutral plants. Day neutral plants means plants which do not depend on duration of daytime or light period. To produce the flower. To produce the flower are called day neutral plants. They are called usually day neutral plants. Okay. Observe carefully. Okay. Plants which do not depend on duration of light period to produce the flowers, they are called day neutral plants. Examples: tomato, cucumber, cotton, etc. These are the examples for the day neutral plants. Okay, like this, there are three types of the plants based on the duration of light period required by those plants to produce the flower. Next, duration of night or dark. is also essential to induce the flowering process in plant. Understanding? Actually, scientists believed and proved that along with night period is also very essential for the flowering process. Okay. When only plants are exposed to relative length of night time, flowering process will be occurred in plant. What? Flowering process will be occurred in plant. If those plants do not expose to the a particular duration of night time or dark time, they cannot produce the flower. Means apical meristem cannot be modified as floral meristem if they do not expose to a particular duration of night time. That is why scientists stated that here night time or dark time also very important. Okay, this is very important one. Now based on the night or dark time required by plants are classified into three types. What are they? Short night plants, long night plants, night neutral plants. Okay, observe one. Next, let us discuss these three types of plants one by one. First one, short night plant. What are short night plants? Yes. Listen carefully here. Plants which require less than 12.5 hours of night duration. Here, less than 12.5 hours of night duration to produce the flower. Those plants are called short night plants. Okay, here critical optimum night is 12.5 hours. Duration of night is 12.5 hours. Here, plants which require less than 12.5 hours of night period. 12.5 hours of night period are called short night plant. Plants which require less than 12.5 hours of night, they are called short night plants. Example, best example is wheat. Next, second one, long night plant. Long night plants means plants which requires more than 12.5 hours of night period. 12.5 hours of here night period. Are called long night clock. Are called long night clock. Okay. Example. Cotton, maize, etc. Cotton, maize, etc. Next, third one, night neutral clock. Night neutral plant means plant. Observe carefully. Why means here to produce the flower. Plant which do not depend on duration of plant which do not depend on duration of night period to produce the flower. To produce the flowering process. Are called night neutral plant. Are called night neutral plant. Okay, these are important words. Examples for night neutral plant. Best example is soya bean. Soya bean. Okay, observe one. You observe short night plants which require less than 12.5 hours of night period to produce the flowers. They are called short night plants. Best example is wheat. Actually, this is a Rabi crop. A Rabi crop plant. Next, long night plants mean plants which require more than 12.5 hours of night period to produce the flowering. They are called long night plants. Examples are cotton and maize. Next, night neutral plant means plants which do not depend on duration of night period to produce the flowering process. They are called night neutral plant. Best example is soya bean. What? Soya bean. Okay, this is important one. Remember. Okay, next. Next, another important topic, vernalization. What? Vernalization. Flowering process in plants is also dependent on the another factor, that is low temperature, cold treatment, or very low temperature. In some plants, very low temperature plays very important role in flowering process. Okay, here vernalization means it is also a method to induce the early flowering in plants. Understanding? How can we define the vernalization process? How can we define Vernalization means method of inducing of method of inducing early flowering method of inducing early flowering in plant. Observe carefully. Early flowering in plant by pre-treating the their seeds at very low temperature. Yes. Method of inducing of early flowering in plants by pre-treating their seeds at very low temperature. This type of method is called vernalization. What? Vernalization. Yes. This is a cool temperature treatment. Okay, this is a cool temperature treatment. Actually, vernalization method it is a cool temperature treatment to plant. Treatment to plant to induce the flowering. To induce the flowering process. Yes. Actually, after exposing to the cool temperature, some plants produce flowering. Without exposing to the cool temperature or at low temperature, some plants cannot produce the flower. That is why scientists and farmers follow some important procedures. In those procedures, vernalization is a procedure. In this procedure or in this method, plants are exposed to the low temperature. Are understanding? Low temperature to produce the flower early than normal flowering process. Are understanding? Here, actually, plants are exposed to low temperature. Plants are exposed to low temperature before the low temperature, before the flowering process, before the flowering, to produce early flowering, flowering than normal. Okay, actually nowadays, instead of plants, seeds are also exposing. Seeds are also exposed. Seeds are also exposed to flowering, exposed to cool temperature. Okay, to get the early flowering in crop plant. To get the early flowering in crop plant, in crop plants or crops. Okay, this is also very important one, remember. Next year, another advanced one is this treatment of low temperature or vernalization process. This process is replaced by phytohormone gibberellin. What? Gibberellin. Gibberellin replace the vernalization process. Replace the vernalization process. Instead of low temperature treatment, gibberellic acid, phytohormones are sprayed or introduced into the plant. Then they produce the flowers early than normal. Okay. Which parts of the plant perceive this stimulus? Which parts of the plant? Actually, apical parts of the plant perceive this stimulus. Okay, which is the here stimulus? Stimulus is low temperature. Low temperature is the stimulus. Low temperature is the stimulus.